We are here in the brand new science complex here at Sacramento University, Sacramento State University. Had a little brain fart there. But we have some OTIS Gen2s. Wow, that's a fat camera in here. Hello. Now there's two cameras in here.
Floor.
Ew. Wow.
Going down.
Look how the 5 is going to the wood. Come back up here.
Going down.
Going down. Yeah, I like how this is like, these are just basic OTIS elevators now.
First floor.
It's got the aggressive OTIS voice. Let's get the other car.
Going up.
Oh, it's sitting right here. Oh, glitch right there.
Going up.
I like the blue though. Looks nice. Oh, it's like wet.
Going up. Fifth floor. Going down.
Non-California compliant phone bill. Just standard.
First floor.
Yeah.
Going up.
Really nice building.